Hello friends, my name is Japneet Kaur. In this video tutorial, we will be making a structure of our HTML page and we will be talking about headings, paragraphs and line breaks. So first of all, we are going to add a folder to our workspace, or we can even open a folder I already have created. So our folder name is HTML tutorial. Save. And now it is opening. So we have this HTML tutorial folder. Now here we are going to add a new file to it. You will by clicking here, and our new file is going to be index.html. Press enter key and you get this. So let us start writing. The first we are going to write hash this lesser than sign exclamatory mark doc type HTML, which is telling our browser that this document is a HTML file. And after that we are gonna put a HTML element. So for that we need to, now we are done. In this HTML element we will do all the coding and all the stuff. In the HTML element, we will be adding two things. The first thing is going to be our head. I don't know why it's not working. I'm gonna write head, and I'm gonna put one more thing, which is going to be our body. Okay, so what we do in this head thing? In head, we link our style sheets, our CSS files, and create titles and meta tags we use here. And in the body we add our content, like what is going to write over there. In our next video we will be previewing a file in web browser. For now we will be previewing our body in this preview. Open the preview to the slide, and if I'm writing h1 tag, and now heading 1. So heading 1 would look like this. And if your cursor is over here and you want to come on the next line, press Ctrl and enter key. And H2 in total we have 6 heading tags. We most probably use till heading 3 only, because heading 4, 5, 6 are really small. So heading 2, Control enter, H3, heading 3, heading H4, heading 4, Control enter, H5, heading 5, Control enter, H6, heading 6. So this is the, and don't forget to save this file. So this is the difference between heading 1 and heading 6. Heading 6 is really small and heading 1 is the biggest size. So that's why we use till heading 3 only. We don't use heading 4, 5, 6 because they are really small. So now I need only heading 1 only. And now I'm gonna talk about paragraphs. So what are these paragraphs? As its name suggests, these are P elements. Means here you can write a paragraph over here. This is the heading. I'm creating a dummy, so dummy paragraph. So for that we use lorem. Write LOREM. If you want 200 words, press 200. If you want even 100 words, press 100 and then press tab to get this. So this is a lorem dummy text, and if you want that this one should be on the next line, so what would you do? So between heading and one, I will use one more element known as BR, stands for break. Now one is coming on our next line. It breaks this statement. So we have known that if we want to add a break anywhere, we can use that. Save this file and we're done. So heading one, in our website it will look like this: heading one and a dummy text. So as I've done, what are headings, how to add breaks, paragraphs, and the structure of our HTML file. We can even use a lang word, lang, which means E and G, stands for E and for English, means HTML language which is going to be English. Thanks for watching our video. Please share, like, subscribe our channel.